Hi, I'm Olive from Olive to Craft, and this is my brother Rocky. And today we're making a Play-Doh Poop Prank. Make a bunch of piles of poop. We have a poop mold from our game Don't Step in It, but if you don't have a poop mold, then we'll show you how to make poop with just Play-Doh. Rocky's gonna make his poop with the mold, and I'll show you how to make poop with just brown Play-Doh. First, you roll it into a long stir. I've rolled out a couple, and they don't have to be perfect because it's poop, and poop isn't perfect. Now, you're gonna make a ring, and then you're gonna go in a little bit each time you go around. You can push the sides together so it stays as one lump. Now I'm gonna make my second poopy. And double poop. Poop. Now we're gonna make different color variations of poop. Like this poop we mixed with white. And I'm gonna mix brown with green. I'm gonna mix brown and purple. You have to mash it, then fold it. Mash it, and fold it to mix it. I added orange. Purple poopy. This is brown, green, and orange. Now I'm gonna put it in the mold. Perfect poop. Ew. And purple poopy. Now we have to wait until our dad leaves his office. Then we can poop prank him. cakes. Poopy.
What did you do to my desk?
The cat pooped on it. It went crazy. Thanks for watching. Now get your craft on and get you happy on and have a crafty, poopy April Fool's Day. Hi, I'm Olive from Olive to Class, and this is my blogger, Rocky. And today we're making a Play-Doh Poop Prank.
Try that again.
This is Poo-Poo McPoopleson, and he loves to smile. And he's a poop. Yes, weird colors. He's green, purple, and orange, and white. And he's made out of Play-Doh. And you can rip his eyes off.